Bathroom.
What all did you take off?
EGR. I got my injectors unclipped.
The injectors on this side is unclipped. So I just gotta pull this out. Right there.
Then we're gonna be ready to snatch it off for the most part, besides getting the belt off. And we gotta disconnect some coolant lines.
Yeah. Easy peasy.
What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you seen in the last video, we pulled the transmission on the Cobra, done the clutch and flywheel, and got that situated. And like I said, next video would be us removing the blower on the Cobra. My lens is a little dirty. Hang on. But yeah, we'll be removing the blower in the next video. So as you see, we have most of the blower. Everything's ready to come off, disconnected. All we gotta do is take the bolts loose now for the main plenum of the blower, and that's gonna be pretty much it. So
vacuum out the valley tray.
Yeah, vacuum out the valley tray, and that's gonna be pretty much it. Going along pretty easy. We ain't ran no major issues yet, so let's keep on going. Nice band-aid.
Yeah.
Damn, Chloe's head look like the moon next to your head. You look like damn Saturn over there. I wasn't talking about your head. I was talking about how big his head is.
Well, I hate to tell you, but Saturn has really high pressure, and it rains diamonds. So, thank you to let me know I'm one of a kind.
Alright. We got the blower off. Cleaned the valleys, put new lower intake gaskets on, and now we're in the process of, yeah, like that. We're in the process of putting the Kenne Bell together with, I guess you could say we resealed everything, had everything nice, powder coated.
With some gray stuff.
Yeah.
Put some gray stuff on.
Yep. The blower's painted. Intercooler is going on. Clean intercooler. Are we gonna tighten those with the 1/2-inch impact?
No. We're gonna do the 1/2-inch to 3/4 adapter.
Okay.
And run some ugga duggas down in that bitch.
Alright, good. Ugga duggas.
Yeah.
You know what ugga duggas are? When you got a gun.
Some mechanics measure of torque.
Yeah. It's
just
where
like
you
butt load. Actual butt load is the actual measurement of torque.
Yeah. That's a buttload of torque.
No.
No?
Ugga dugga is how you get it done, son.
Yeah, you just didn't go ugga dugga dugga dugga. It's good.
You hear it. There's one. There's two.
Don't go third time, you'll strip it.
Yeah. That's when righty tighty becomes righty loosey.
Yep. Alrighty guys, so the blower is on. I'm sorry I haven't been filming the best. I'm really just been trying to get this knocked out and get it done with, because it is currently Monday, and the car, we don't even know if this blower's going to act right or if the car's going to run right, and we got a dyno appointment Wednesday to get this tuned. So trying to knock this out, get this done, so this car will be 100% blowers on, belts on, everything's torqued down. All lack now is getting my EGR tube out, getting some of the vacuum lines situated and ran, and then running my booster pump, hooking my booster pump up, and putting the air fuel and aftermarket boost gauge on. But besides that, that's pretty much gonna wrap up the blower install. This wasn't gonna be an in-depth. It was just more show of just showing how, or just, you know, the progress of how my car's coming along. I cannot tell you how stoked I am to finally see this. It's been 4 years in the making to do this, and to finally see it on the car, it's just mind-boggling to me. Sorry, the lighting's not like the best. It makes everything. This yellow is hard to get on camera now with a yellow blower because it makes just everything so bright. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the money shot right here. There you go. But yeah, there's the blower on. Put oil in it and everything. So hopefully here in a little while we're gonna have a startup on the car. Probably later on this afternoon I'm gonna try to get up a startup on the car. And yeah, I'm so stoked about this. This is about to be wild. So let's I'm gonna see. I don't know how much I'm gonna film, how much I'm gonna be able to film, because I'm really about to just get on this and knock it out. But regardless, you're gonna see the startup, and yeah, that would pretty much, once the car started, we know it's running good. That's gonna wrap up the video. And then it's currently Monday. Wednesday we got a dyno appointment. So next video you'll see is gonna be the dyno, the car being on the dyno. If everything goes right, which hopefully everything's been going pretty smooth. But yeah, so I'm gonna hop on this. I'm not sure how much more I filmed. It might just jump straight to the clip of the car being started up. Almost guarantee you it will. So sorry I haven't been able to just film every little thing. I've just been really trying to get this knocked out. But the blower's on it, everything's good to go. So I'm gonna jump on this and get this done. And yeah, so we can get ready to go to the dyno and see what she's gonna make. Alright.
Yeah, I can't even use that damn hand now. Oh, fuck.
Oh, from
Yeah.
pulling on it?
Can't.
Ready?
Yeah. Don't let it run long. Don't run long.
I totally forgot that I did not wrap up the video last night. As you see, we got the Cobra running. It's not running the best because it needs a tune, but it does run. It's running really lean because it needs more fuel. But I totally forgot I did not end the video last night. So I'm going to wrap up this video. I'm actually about to get the Cobra clean, give it a bath, get it vacuumed out, get her all ready to go to the dyno, do an oil change on her. It's Tuesday. Yesterday was when I started the car up. Monday. It's Tuesday. Tomorrow's gonna be Wednesday when my dyno appointment is, so we're gonna go down there. Hopefully everything goes as planned. We'll see, but that's pretty much gonna be it. I'm gonna wrap up this video. Oh yeah, one more shot. Here you go. So here she is, all out in the sunlight. I gotta say, I've never swapped a supercharger on an 0304 Cobra, but this was a first, and it wasn't that bad. It was fun. But like I said, I'm gonna wrap up this video. I'll catch y'all in the next video. If you want to see more content of this 03 Cobra, don't forget to like, comment, say more content of 03 Cobra, and don't forget to subscribe, turn post notifications on. It really does mean a lot when y'all interact with the videos, interact with the channel. So anyways, I'm gonna quit rambling. I'll catch y'all in the next video, which is gonna be this car on the rollers making some steam. So anyways, I'll see y'all later. Peace out.